And that's a great thing about the dock as well, is that you can actually spin it, put it away when you're not using it.
Yeah.
So that way you can still use the alarm clock function or the AM/FM
Very
radio.
attractive as well. Yeah.
Yes, yes. And then when you want to use the dock, you just spin it out, and it's compatible with all iPhones and iPods.
Okay, cool.
The second model that we have here today is the Bluetooth model. Basically the same exact thing, still has the AM/FM radio, still all the alarm clock functions, the auxiliary input, and then Bluetooth streaming with any Bluetooth enabled device.
And what if, say, I wanted to plug my iPod in to charge, but I wanted to listen to the radio?
Once it's docked through your iPod or iPhone and go through the FM ability within the iPod or the iPhone, and you could still control the device right from the iPod or iPhone screen.
Oh, right, okay, brilliant. Is that through an app, or is that?
It's actually through the actual FM antenna built into your iPod or iPhone. The major use for this would be the bedside clock. With the preset alarms, it's great for whether or not you have your iPod or iPhone or a Bluetooth enabled device connected. You can still use it as just the traditional alarm. It's got 5 alarm functions.
Oh, right, okay.
So that way if you need to set a couple for husband and wife, or you just need to wake up with a few alarms in the morning. And then obviously it's also dualed. You can use it at the office. I actually have one on my desk at the office. I use it for charging all my Apple products while I'm sitting there at the desk, and then also listening to a little bit of music.
Okay, should we play a bit of music? Do you want to give it a go?
If you like.
Good sound?
Yeah. Yeah, and with the company, that's kind of one of the things we pride ourselves on, the supreme audio quality that we offer in every product. One of the aspects that we use to ensure that is in all of our processes, we control all the manufacturing, all the design, and all the engineering. The factory that we have is actually located in a special economic zone within China, where they have higher environmental standards and higher labor practices. So we're also trying to do, the right thing when it comes to labor and the environment as well.
Oh, brilliant. Okay, so it's like eco-friendly and
exactly.
putting something back.
Yeah.
Nice. Brilliant, man.
And so we control every level of the process, so we try to ensure the highest level of quality and the highest level of audio output.
Yeah, I mean, you can see that even in things like the detail in the stand. Like lovely little stand legs on the back there. Beautiful. Okay, so how much are these going to cost?
These will be just under £60 here in the British market for either the Bluetooth model or the iPod iPhone dock. So about $59.90 roughly.
Cool.
The docking version is available now, just launched last week in the market. The Bluetooth version will be available in the next 2 to 3 weeks, hopefully.
Brilliant, awesome.